Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast, where we cover the top news for investors every morning. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, November 19th. I'm Julie Morgan. Fate Therapeutics releases promising data on its lupus treatment. Super Microcomputer has a plan, and Blackstone is reportedly set to acquire a sandwich chain. Fate Therapeutics closed 12% higher on Monday after soaring as much as 73%. The increase was on the news that the first patient in the company's Phase 1 autoimmunity study for its CAR T-cell therapy candidate, FT819, is in remission for lupus 6 months after treatment. The company said the patient, an African-American Asian woman diagnosed with lupus nephritis, received fludarabine-free conditioning, followed by a single dose of FT819. The woman achieved clinical remission as of the 6-month follow-up, free of all immunosuppressive therapies, as of the data cutoff date of November 11th. The company said it is also enrolling a second treatment arm under the Phase 1 autoimmunity study to evaluate a single dose of FT819 as an add-on to maintenance therapy without conditioning chemotherapy in patients with a different form of lupus. The new arm is being conducted in parallel with the study's conditioning arm. Data from the Phase 1 studies was presented at the American College of Rheumatology Convergence meeting in Washington, D.C. In a note Monday, BofA said it was upgrading its rating of the stock to neutral from underperform, but keeping its price target at $3. BofA said that while it viewed the update as supporting the company's pivot from oncology to immunology, it would like to see additional data from more patients before making changes to its model. BofA noted that Fate has guided that it will present additional data from the first 3 dose patients at the American Society of Hematology annual meeting, which will be held December 7th to 10th. Fate is up 2% in pre-market action. Super Microcomputer closed Monday nearly 16% higher and is up 31% pre-market. This after the company said it has engaged an independent auditor and has submitted a compliance plan to NASDAQ. The company said it has engaged accounting firm BDO USA as its auditor effective immediately. This comes after SMCI on Wednesday said in a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that it needs more time to file its latest quarterly earnings report. In its compliance plan to NASDAQ, the company indicated that it believes it will be able to complete its annual report on Form 10-K for the year ended June 30th, 2024, and its quarterly report on 10-Q for the fiscal quarter ended September 30th, 2024. Blackstone is zeroing in on a deal to buy Jersey Mike's subs in a transaction that will value the sandwich chain at about $8 billion, including debt. The Wall Street Journal reported on Monday, citing people familiar with the matter, that an agreement may be announced soon if talks don't break down. Jersey Mike's, which has more than 3,000 locations, is the second biggest sub-style sandwich chain in the U.S. by sales after Subway, according to Technomic data cited by the Journal. Now, I have a few other articles that I'd like to share with you that you can find on Seeking Alpha. Nippon Steel makes an anti-import promise to win worker support for U.S. steel deal. No time to chill. Netflix must fix its live streaming before the Christmas NFL games or lose face. According to Bloomberg, the DOJ will ask a judge to push Google to sell the Chrome browser. And Apple is said to offer a $100 million investment in Indonesia to reverse the ban of the iPhone 16. On our catalyst to watch for the day, the IPO quiet period ends on WeRide. The Chinese robotaxi stock has soared since its public debut last month. And the 3-day Microsoft Ignite conference will begin. The tech giant is expected to highlight its latest AI innovations. Last year, companies ranging from Oracle, Asana to Monday.com were seen benefiting from the updates at the Ignite conference. Now let's take a quick look at the markets today. As of 6 a.m., Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ futures are in the red. Crude oil is also down 0.7% at $68 a barrel. Bitcoin is flat at $91,000. In the world markets, the FTSE 100 is down 0.5%, and the DAX is down 1.2%. Symbotic is on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market. SYM is up 26% after the company reported strong fiscal Q4 results with revenue growing 47% year over year. On today's economic calendar, at 8:30 a.m., housing starts and permits, and at 10 a.m., e-commerce retail sales. That's it for today's Wall Street Breakfast. Thanks for listening. For a full offering of news, analysis, ratings, and data on stocks and ETFs, become a premium subscriber. Learn more at seekingalpha.com/subscriptions. I'm your host, Julie Morgan. Go out and make it a great day.